Bible for Women and Daily Study. So here is the app. Bible for Women Daily Study, bright and beautiful Bible with day and night mode designed specifically for women, daily devotionals, verses of the day, daily reading plans, audio, Bible, bookmarks, notes, and highlights, smart, agile, and offline, user-friendly. So here you have it. Beautiful in the interface, Bible, daily reading and devotional, advanced and fast search, night mode, customizable interface, text and audio. And apparently, there are a lot of users for this app. A lot of women just wants to have this app. Super high in the charts, as you can see, 100,000 ratings. And this one as well. So, and then you can just see it like that. So there you have it. That's the app.